evening, parents. My name is Jose Enriquez, principal of Jose Marti Mast 6 through 12 Academy. Welcome to our annual open house, where you'll have the opportunity to learn about what is happening in our school. You will find that Jose Marti Mast 6 through 12 Academy is a place where learning means more doing. Safety, safety, safety. Before we can even begin the educational process, it is our responsibility to be sure that your child is safe at our school each and every day. Some of the safety measures include, number one, all students wearing ID badges. 2, making sure that all students are in uniform daily. 3, increased training of our security monitors. 4, a new Raptor system to securely check all guests visiting our school. 5, all classroom doors locked throughout the day. 6, a full-time police officer located on our campus on a daily basis. And finally, 7, additional student service personnel at our school. As the school year progresses, we will be discussing and implementing even more safety measures. At Jose Marti Mast 6 through 12 Academy, we pride ourselves in our continuous quest to make learning interesting, relevant by providing multiple opportunities for hands-on learning experiences. These experiences occur primarily through our research and lab courses, but also exist in each and every course, including electives. We have some school rules here at Jose Marti. Please take the time with your child to review each of the following school rules that will help him or her achieve success. They're very simple. Number 1, be punctual. Number 2, be respectful. 3, have a positive attitude. 4, complete all assignments. And number 5, and most importantly, take responsibility for your own learning. Now let me talk about arrival and dismissal traffic. Because of the nature of our school, many parents transport their child on a daily basis, which creates unfortunate traffic jams both in the morning and afternoon. Getting here early is the key. Getting here early. Arriving at 7 a.m. instead of 7:15 makes all the difference in the world. In addition, at dismissal, you may consider allowing your child to use the media center for 1 hour and a half each day. Remember, there are 2 means of picking up your child. We have the main parking lot and the bus ramp. Parent involvement. Parent involvement is very important. Number 1, we highly recommend that you join social media, especially Twitter and Facebook. We update parents on a daily basis with useful information about our school and continuously document all of our student and school achievements. And number 2, become a PTSA member and consider joining the Educational Excellence School Advisory Council. You may simply join the PTSA and even consider becoming a board member to get more involved with our school. Please be sure to stop by the PTSA office located on the 2nd floor in room 1202. Again, thank you for joining us here tonight, and as you move about our building, please feel free to speak to me about our school and your child. Have a nice evening.
Good evening, parents. My name is Sofia Budocavoli, and I'm the assistant principal here at Jose Marti Mast. And I'd again like to welcome you to the 2018-2019 open house. This is a great opportunity to meet all of your child's teachers, but additionally, we also have counselors that work with your children as well. Ms. Fons Masvidal works with the grades 9 through 12, and Ms. Pelayas works with grades 6 through 8. We also have Mr. Milian, our CAP advisor, who works predominantly with seniors, but will be working with all grades 9 through 12 throughout the year for college counseling and scholarship information. I'd like to thank all of you for helping us with the uniform policy that we have put into effect this year. Please make sure that all children are adhering to this uniform policy, and most importantly, that they all wear their IDs each and every day. Closed shoes, blue or khaki pants, their assigned polo shirt, as well as a zip front unhooded sweater. Parents, we know that grades are very important to you and they're important to your children as well. However, we do ask that today not be the day that you ask specifically your child's teacher about their grades, as they really should not be discussing individual grades with any particular parent for the purposes of confidentiality. We do encourage you, however, to use the gradebook option that is available through your portal to maintain good information and constant contact with your teachers with respect to your child's grades and/or conduct. And finally, I'd like to inform you that officially our applications are open for the next school year. If you have a younger sibling that you're hoping will come to Jose Marti Mast Academy, applications are open and you will have to submit an application. For more information with respect to the enrollment, please see Ms. Andrews, and she too is in the main office in the counseling suite. Thank you so much, and we hope that you have a great evening.
Hello, I'm Alberto Carvalho, Superintendent of Miami-Dade County Public Schools. Welcome to Open House. This is a great opportunity to meet your child's teachers and learn more about the school's academic programs. Make the most of your time tonight. We are excited about the 2018-19 school year and thrilled that MDCPS has the outstanding distinction of earning its first ever district-wide A grade. We're also a district with no F schools for the second year in a row. Once again, we are offering students bold learning programs with innovative choice options and academic enrichment. At MDCPS, there is no one-size-fits-all learning model. We are tailoring instruction to match students' academic needs, interests, and goals. In addition to meeting students' academic needs, we're also making sure schools are safe. On day one, every school in the district opened with new and upgraded security features. The safety of our students and staff is our top priority. On behalf of our school board, I want to thank you for participating in your child's school open house. You're welcome to visit throughout the school year to remain engaged and connected. Last, in November, you'll have a chance to support our teachers. They've done a lot. They deserve the recognition and our collective support. I look forward to another exciting year. Have a wonderful evening.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a good feeling. I get a good feeling, yeah.